And crazy to think that those folks on the coast is just beginning for them. They could get up to 8 or 9 inches of snow just like us, and they're certainly not used to it. And we aren't either, because it's been 4 years since we've had this much snow in Asheville. And right now we do see some pretty wintry looking sky cams on our Hunter Subaru Skycam network. We see Silva there that has some snow on the roads. Looks like the roads in Brevard have been treated. And also we certainly see some snow showing up in Bryson City and Waynesville. And look how cold it is. 8 degrees in Waynesville, down to 10 in Silva, 12 in Brevard. So you get the idea. Feels like temperatures in the coming days are going to be brutally cold. So with all of the cold and the wind and the blowing snow, we have a few indoor days ahead. Tomorrow morning at daybreak, here's how cold we feel. Almost 15 below in Asheville, Hendersonville, below 0, pretty much across the mountains, and even in the upstate, feeling colder than 0 to begin the day in Greenville and close to it elsewhere. Now, this will be slightly improved on Monday, but still dangerously cold temperatures, feeling like we're in the single digits or just below 0 in the mountains. And then we see how these feels like come up on Tuesday, but still very, very cold to begin your day on Tuesday. Right now, snow shower activity has wrapped up across much of the mountains. Still some very light snow showers coming down, and a little more coverage there on the eastern fringe of our region. We're talking Rutherford County, also Polk County and Burke County, the eastern part of McDowell County. And then we see some heavier snow on the eastern fringes of the upstate too, just to the east of the I-26 corridor. So eastern Spartanburg and Union counties getting some of that heavier snow in dark blue. And then the heaviest snow that I'm seeing right now on radar is actually over the coastal Carolinas. Like we've been talking about, 5 to 8 inches of snow possible in coastal areas of the Carolinas before this all wraps up. Extreme cold warning for all of us through tonight, and then we can see on the Futurecast how the snow shower activity pretty much goes away for all of us by midnight, leaving us with very dry, cold air and windy conditions on Sunday and a whole lot of blowing snow. We see those potential wind gusts, and they are up there, certainly on the eastern slopes, Marion, Hendersonville at times, possibly gusting over 40 miles per hour. So unfortunately, as we go through the overnight hours, there could be a few power outages, a few tree branches could come down in that area, but thankfully, we are going to see those wind gusts trend downward as we go through the day on Monday. Tomorrow morning's lows are very low, and we stay well below freezing for most of us in the mountains. A couple of weather warn days for the wind and the cold, and we don't get significantly above freezing for very long until Tuesday. And we also look at the 7-day forecast in the upstate, and it will be a little milder a little sooner Monday afternoon, up to 40, but overall very cold for you as well.